The Lenovo ThinkBook Plus Gen 5 will be available sometime in Q2 2024 for $1,999. The Windows 11 hybrid station packs an Intel Core Ultra 7 CPU with Intel Arc integrated graphics, 32 GB of RAM, and 1 TB of storage. The Android 13 hybrid tab runs on a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 CPU with Qualcomm Adreno graphics and has 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. This is the only configuration that we know of time of writing. At first glance, the ThinkBook Plus Gen 5 Hybrid is almost indistinguishable from the best laptops. However, its visible hinge and the two cameras on the lid let you know this isn't your ordinary laptop. The ability to remove the display/tablet from the keyboard base isn't new since we've seen that in machines like the Microsoft Surface Pro 9, among others. The kicker is that the tablet, hybrid tab, and base, hybrid station, are two separate computing devices. That makes the ThinkBook Gen 5 Hybrid unique and exciting. Keyboard isn't easy. The strong magnetic connection ensures the base or tablet won't easily separate, but it also means you need to apply a decent amount of force to snap the components apart, which can be a little scary. This might get easier with practice, but it's hard to tell right now. The hybrid tab measures 12.3 by 8.8 by 0.2 inches and weighs 1.7 pounds. It's a sturdy slate that feels good to hold. It has the dual-tone design of the Lenovo Tab M10 Plus Gen 3 and the company's other tablets. The rounded portion hinge on the tablet's bottom/left side disturbs the otherwise flat surface but makes it easier to hold with one hand. The rear cameras stick out a bit on the back, but not by much. The hybrid station is 12.3 by 9.2 by 0.3 inches and weighs 2.1 pounds. Design-wise, it's a standard keyboard deck, except that it has a connector and two pins for connecting the tablet. The keys feel nice to type on and have decent travel distance. I also like the smooth and responsive touchpad, which is just as spacious as the keyboard. If you want, you can connect the hybrid station to one of the best monitors via USB-C and use it as a computer. Remember, this is a Windows machine at its core. There are a grand total of 3 Thunderbolt 4/USB-C ports, 2 on the hybrid station and 1 on the hybrid tab. The keyboard base also has a 3.5mm headphone jack. That's not a lot of ports, but both devices utilize Bluetooth if you need to connect to peripherals like the best wireless keyboards or the best wireless mice. Whether in tablet or laptop mode, you'll get a 14-inch 2.8K OLED display. We'll need to get the ThinkBook Plus Gen 5 Hybrid into our testing lab to see what its panel can do, but I found it sufficiently bright and colorful when I checked out this device. The OLED panel should make watching streaming videos a pure joy. Trending. Apple Vision Pro review. Galaxy S24 Ultra. Galaxy S24. OnePlus 12. Best TVs. Best laptops. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission. Here's how it works. Computing laptops. Lenovo ThinkBook Plus Gen 5 Hybrid Hands-on Review. Android tablet meets Windows laptop. A literal 2-in-1 laptop. Reviews. By Tony Polanco, published January 13, 2024. Comments 2. Lenovo ThinkBook Plus Gen 5 Hybrid. Image, copyright Tom's Guide. Early verdict. The Lenovo ThinkBook Plus Gen 5 Hybrid is a unique device that combines an Android tablet and a Windows laptop into one notebook. Featuring a 14-inch 2.8K OLED panel and 2 separate operating systems, this is a 2-in-1 in the most literal sense possible. Pros. Plus an Android tablet and Windows laptop in one. Plus sharp and vibrant 2.8K OLED panel. Plus tablet and keyboard base can work independently. Cons. Connecting the devices is cumbersome. Pricey. While you can trust Tom's Guide, our writers and editors spend hours analyzing and reviewing products, services, and apps to help find what's best for you. Find out more about how we test, analyze, and rate. Jump to specs, price and availability, design and display, features and battery. Outlook. The Lenovo ThinkBook Plus Gen 5 is a 2-in-1 laptop in the most literal sense. Its display is a fully functional Android 13 tablet, while its keyboard base, hybrid station, is a Windows 11 laptop featuring an Intel Meteor Lake CPU. Advertisement. You can snap off the display to use it as a tablet while keeping the keyboard base connected to an external monitor. You can also switch between Android and Windows modes with the press of a button. Though somewhat pricey at $1,999, the ThinkBook Plus Gen 5 seems like a compelling combo. Will it find its way into our best 2 in 1 laptops and list? Read my early impressions to find out. Sponsored links. Thousands swear by the 5 a.m. club morning routine. I gave it a go. Blinkist Magazine. Lenovo ThinkBook Plus Gen 5 Hybrid Hands-On Review. Specs. Swipe to scroll horizontally. Header cell, column 0 Hybrid Station Hybrid tab. CPU Intel Core Ultra 7 Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. OS Windows 11 Android 13. Memory 32 GB 12 GB. Storage 1 TB 256 GB. Graphics Intel Arc Qualcomm Adreno. Display not applicable 14-inch 2.8K OLED touch. Audio 2x2W Harman/Kardon speakers 4x1W superlinear speakers. Camera not applicable front. FHD plus IR. Back. 13MP plus 5MP. Battery 75 where 38 where. Ports 2x Thunderbolt 4/USB-C. 1x headphone jack 1x USB-C. Connectivity Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2 Bluetooth 5.3. Dimensions 12.3 by 9.2 by 0.3 inches 12.3 by 8.8 by 0.2 inches. Weight 2.1 pounds 1.7 pounds. Lenovo ThinkBook Plus Gen 5 Hybrid Hands-On Review. Price and availability. The Lenovo ThinkBook Plus Gen 5 will be available sometime in Q2 2024 for $1,999. Please subscribe to my channel